sensors is partly designed by RF Solutions UK and connect seamlessly to the RIoT-Hub for unparalleled wireless monitoring. Discover a wide range of different types of IoT sensors tailored to the needs of your different environmental requirements. This includes PIR sensor, RF LoRa temperature sensor, K-fob styled IoT sensor for temperature, RF LoRa temperature humidity sensor, RF and LoRa door contact sensor, RF LoRa for switch input transmitter, ammonia, nitrogen, pH and temperature sensor transmitter, IoT temperature sensor probe, dissolved oxygen sensor, nitrates, nitrogen, pH and temperature sensor transmitter, RF and LoRa pH temperature probe, water leak sensor, RF and LoRa conductivity sensor, RF sensor transmitter for blue-green algae, and RF and LoRa AC power wall mount sensor.